Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today we're going to see a game on Englund Gambit played by me with white, and my opponent is 2300 Elo players on Blitz, and his FIDE rate is in 1971. But I was a little strange why he started with this Gambit, and now we have d4 e5. Now Bd2 Qxb2, he played knight to c6 here to protect the pawn, and now he played queen to e7. This is the idea, and the idea is to try to attack this pawn immediately, so white has to do something about that. The most obvious move is bishop to f4 actually. This is the main line, but bishop g5, okay, I played it accidentally, but doesn't matter so much because I'm attacking the queen. Now he played this check, and now you can see he is attacking the king and b2 pawn. Maybe I'm going to close the engine right now. I'm going to show you a little later the valuation of the engine. And I played this bishop to d2. Of course, I have a complete video about that. Now he captures there, knight to c3, and the main move here is bishop to b5. This is one of the main moves, and you can check my video. I have the description below of that video. You can go and check this out. But here during the game, after this, he played this move knight to b4. And now the first moment, what you're going to do here with white, it's important to be careful. And here we should play knight on d4. This is the best move actually, because we are protecting this this square, and after that we are ready to kick away the queen. And after this, the position is difficult for black because we are threatening also knight b5, and for that we are after that we are going to threaten to on c7 the double attack against the rook and king, and similarly this knight is not very well protected. So this move is very powerful. Knight d4 move is very powerful, and he played c6, a normal move. I seen it many times. This one, they try to stop this knight jumps. And I played e3, natural move. And here, if you see, the computer evaluation is +5, right? It's okay, maybe it's optimistic, maybe this one, this engine, but you can see it's not the correct way to play. And after c6, we don't have other good moves. He can play knight a6, something like that, but he is going to put his pieces backwards, and this is not good. So he played c6, now I played e3, because I'm protecting everything and I'm prepared to develop my pieces, and after that I start choosing, do something against his queen. But here, no, it's alright, e3 is alright. He played this move, and he's trying to develop his pieces. You see, he don't like to put his knight on e7. His pieces are not very well coordinated right now. If you know what to do against the gambits, then you can take the advantage very easily. And he played this move in the edge of the board, and now I played bishop to e2, continue developing. Even better here was this one, is e3. This is a fantastic move because we are attacking the knight, and after that one we have a very nice move, knight a4. Yeah, this in some variations you can see now the queen is trapped. The queen is trapped and he cannot do anything at all. But I didn't see that one. I just played the normal move, bishop e2. I foresee a3, but I didn't foresee knight a4 to trap the queen. So I'm continue developing my pieces. Probably he showed, for that reason he played the queen there, but you can see his pieces are not very well placed. I played short castling, bishop to e7, and now f4. My idea is obvious, start pushing my pawns forward step by step. He played g3 to stop all of these moves, and I played a very strong move, king h1. This is a prophylactic move because I'd like to play something like e4 and f5. This knight is unprotected, and as you can see, everything went wrong here for this person. He played b5, and now I continue with my plan e4. You can see the next move is f5, and this is, if you stop the early attacks of your opponent, these gambits, then you will have the upper hand. And now he played the queen here, and after f5 the knight is under attack. We are on move 14 already, and after this I played a3, and you can see the other knight is trapped. Completely disaster for him, and this is the way how to continue, how to play with white pieces. And he played this tricky move, bishop to c5, try to counter attack my knight, but of course I played that one. And this knight on b4 is trapped, completely trapped, because it cannot go anywhere. And as you can see, we can capture the knight in all of squares. So he resigned. And this is the way how to play against that Gambit and how to win. I'm going to repeat it here after these moves, and this is not the best one. Knight b4 is a very tricky move, not the best, and here you have this very strong reply, knight d4, and white is close to winning here. You can check my video how to play with the black pieces actually, and good luck with your games.